All right, high levelers, my name is Paul Kim, and in this video is another tutorial on a feature update in GoHighLevel. Today we're going to be talking about conversion metrics with regard to sending out emails and how you can analyze these campaigns that are going out. For that, let's go and share my screen and let's get right to it. All right, so we are in one of my sub accounts for one of my customers. And before I get into it, I want you to understand what the conversion metric tool is. It's a vital tool to basically show you how effective your marketing campaign is in terms of revenue generation. So an essential element um, for this tool is what's called the attribution window. Now, attribution window is the time frame when a customer action is linked to a specific marketing campaign. So the industry standard is 5 days. Now, why 5 days? Because typically most people forget about an email after 5 days. Now, this is done by research. I'm not the one that did the research. So, and you can look at the setting here and you can see here the attribution is set for 5 days. Now, if you want to make it longer, 7 days, 10 days, you can do so. And you can also attribute it to all the campaigns or a specific campaign with a product. Now, um, so let's say, for example, if somebody clicked on a link 10 days outside of that 5 day attribution, then any revenue generated from that email campaign is not going to be attributed to that specific campaign, right? So it has to be within that 5 day time period. So when we look at the analytics here, let's go take a look. And so typically when you are in the email campaigns, you can go to marketing and under campaigns here, you can click on the three dots for a specific campaign that went out. And what you can do is you can look at the statistics and then here you're going to put in load more statistics. Now, this conversion is going to be listed here. And this is where you'll see the conversion. Now, in this case, we did not promote anything that will generate revenue. This is more for promotional purposes, but this is where you will see any conversion or any revenue generated, and it is going to be attributed or it's going to be shown here in the conversion metrics here. And so this is a tool that you can utilize to look at how your email campaigns are doing to generate revenue. So I hope this video was helpful for you to utilize this great, awesome tool to help you figure out which campaigns are doing well to generate more revenue. And if so, you can do more of those in your marketing. Well, I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. And until then, bye now.